Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off AutoCorrect and Predictive text on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down a little and tap on General. Inside General, scroll down and select Keyboard. Now, under the All Keyboard section, you will see several options. To disable AutoCorrect, turn off the switch next to Auto Correction. It should change from green to gray. Next, to disable Predictive text, turn off the switch next to Predictive. It will also turn gray when turned off. And that's it! Now you know how to turn off AutoCorrect and Predictive text on iOS.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.